Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explorer. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I am going to show you how to design this type of tire in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. And if you want to download this model, I will leave the download link in the description of this video. So let's start. First of all, click on front plane and then select sketch. Now draw a center line and start it from origin like this. Then use 3-point arc and draw it like this. You have to draw 3 arcs like this. Then select both of these arcs and make them equal. Now press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and select this point and this point. Make their relation horizontal. Similarly, make horizontal relation for these 2 points. Then also make horizontal relation for these 2 center points. Then manually rearrange these arcs. Then select this midpoint and this midpoint. Make their relation vertical. Now define distance from this point up to this midpoint. It is 40 millimeter. This distance is 70 millimeter. And this distance is 75 millimeter. Then define distance from this midpoint to this line, and if you drag your mouse upward it will become radius, and when you drag like this it will become diameter. So the diameter is 200 millimeter. Now press escape button and then go to features tab and apply revolved boss base command. Here it will ask you would you like to convert this sketch to a closed sketch. Select no. So here we had revolved our sketch. Now here in the thin feature, extrusion thickness is 20 millimeter, and then press OK button. Now next step is that we have to draw subline on this surface. So for that, click on this arrow in front of subline command and from here select subline on surface. Then draw 2 sublines like this and press escape button. Again draw a subline like this. Then zoom in and from here press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard. Then select this point and this point. Make their relation along x-axis. Similarly, make the along x-axis relation for these points. Then manually rearrange both these sublines. Like this. Then draw a 3-point arc like this. 1 arc on this side. Now press escape button and then go to features tab and apply extruded cut command. So here it will ask you direction of extrusion. So for that, expand these options and from here select top plane. Then reverse the direction and type here the distance 15 millimeter. From here select draft and type here the degree. Then press OK button. So Here it will ask you bodies to keep. Select selected bodies and from here select body 1 and press OK button. Now click on this arrow below the linear pattern and from here select circular pattern. Select this cut extrude 1 as features and faces to pattern and then select this box pattern axis. Then select this circular edge. Type here the quantity to 0 and then press OK button. Here it will ask you again bodies to keep, so selected bodies and from here select body 1 and press OK button. Then again sketch on front plane and then make normal to. Draw a center line like this and press escape button. Change the shades from here. So now expand the revolved thin one feature here and then select sketch 1. Then press convert entities button. After that select this arc and delete it. Now select both of these arcs and then from here select offset entities. So type here offset distance and it is 5 mm. Then check this option reverse and from here select or check this option base geometry as a construction geometry. Also check this option bidirectional and then check this option cap ends. Then press OK button. Now go to features tab and select revolved cut and press OK button. So here we had designed a tire. I hope you had enjoyed and learned from this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time.